group including human rights defenders, victims of rights abuses, diplomats and international experts are looking at ways of prosecuting people who allegedly bear the greatest responsibility of human rights violations and abuses under Jammeh'S 22-year rule. It is unclear where exactly the prosecution of the alleged crimes would take place, but the impending trial of alleged human rights violations is nevertheless expected to commence after the conclusions of the TRRC hearings in early 2021. Ibrahim John has more details of that in this report.
Plans are underway for the possible prosecution of alleged human rights violations committed under Yahya Jammeh's rule from 1994 to 2017. The Rose Lockism Foundation is spearheading the campaign for this to be a reality. Experts on international criminal law, the Minister of Justice, the victims, and potential donors are looking into the possibilities of trying the perpetrators in domestic courts or via hybrid court within or outside the jurisdiction of the Gambia or an international criminal court. International legal experts, members of the Gambian judiciary, victims, and civil society organizations have actively participated in the consultation for the establishment of a post-TRRC court for alleged perpetrators. On 29 June 2020, a virtual meeting was organized for a consultation on post-TRRC prosecution in which Justice Raymond C. Sock of the Supreme Court made these remarks.
I'll start by congratulating the conveners of this consultation who, in spite of the global challenges of COVID-19, have succeeded in bringing together virtually such an impressive group of people dedicated to the pursuit of justice for all and firm entrenchment of the rule of law in our societies. The attainment of such noble objectives calls for selfless dedication and commitment, particularly in the present global climate in which impunity seems to thrive and accountability relegated to the back burners of history. However, on all the burners of this consultation is the foregoing of a post-TRRC mechanism for accountability appropriate for the Gambia and fostering closure and reconciliation for all Gambians.
Post-truth commissions have not always brought justice to the victims of human rights abuses in some quarters. Gambia's case will depend on the government's commitment to the implementation of recommendations for prosecution after the truth hearings. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Ibrahim John.